Welcome. The topic today is logarithms. If logarithm of 2 is 0.30103 and logarithm of 3 is 0.47712, calculate without using tables or calculators the value of logarithm of 120. So the first thing we need to note here is that logarithm of 120 is the same as logarithm of 120 to base 10. So this is a common logarithm, and common logarithms are to base 10. We may not indicate it here, but we know it is to base 10. So with that idea, we also need to express 120 as a product of its factors. So 120 factorized will be 2 squared times 3 times 10. So logarithm of 120 to base 10, which is the same as what we have right here, will be equal to logarithm of, now 120 is 2 squared times 3 times 10, and this is to base 10. So in order to work out this, first we need to recall the laws of logarithm. So the first one, that logarithm of a times b should be equal to logarithm of a plus logarithm of b. Secondly, we also need to recall that logarithm of a raised to b is the same as b, which is the power, multiplying logarithm of a. And finally, we also need to remember that logarithm of a to base a is 1. So if you have same values at this point, that is 1. Therefore, logarithm of 120, which is right here, so we write it as 2 squared times 3 times 10 to base 10, will be the same as, so because here we have multiplication, we apply the first law right here. So multiplication implies we add the logarithms. So we have logarithm of 2 to power 2 base 10 plus logarithm of 3 base 10 plus logarithm of 10 to base 10. So this will be equivalent to, so we apply the second law right here on this first part. So 2 comes and multiplies logarithm of 2 to base 10 plus logarithm of 3 to base 10 plus logarithm of 10 to base 10. So finally, we have logarithm of 2, logarithm of 3, and logarithm of 10. So already in the question, we are given logarithm of 2 is equal to 0.30103 and logarithm of 3 is 0.47712. So we are going to substitute. So here we have twice logarithm of 2, and logarithm of 2 we were told is 0.30103 plus logarithm of 3, which we also told is 0.47712 plus, now logarithm of 10 to base 10, we are simply going to apply this. Logarithm of a to base a is 1, so here we have logarithm of 10 to base 10, so that is 1, so we add 1. So finally, working out this from my calculator, I'm getting 2.07918, and that is approximately 2.079 to 4 significant figures. So finally, that is the end of this question. Thank you for your patience. Thank you for watching. See you next time.